Then when you move on to your level 2, which is called applied skills, now here you've got 6 papers. The first thing you should remember that you can take any of the papers in any sequence. These papers are called F4, F5, F6, F7, F8 and F9. The names they have changed, they call it F4, which is business law, it is called LW. F5 is called PM, it is performance management. TX F6 is taxation. F7 is financial reporting, we call it FR. F8 we call AA, audit and assurance, and F9 is your FM. Now first thing you should remember that these are not on-demand exams, so you cannot take them any time of the year. They have fixed dates. So these exams, ACCA conduct these exams 4 times in a year: March, June, September and December. 4 exam attempts: March, June, September, December, and it is always the first week. So first week of March, first week of June, first week of September and first week of December. And results do not come out immediately. Results you will get in 6 weeks time. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now you can start from any order. If you want, you can start from F9. If you want, you can start from F7. So it is your choice. But how do I suggest? I suggest that you can do these exams in 4 attempts. In 4 attempts, 1, 2, 3, and let's make a 4th one as well. 4 attempts. The first attempt you should take F7, financial reporting, and you should take F4. These are the 2 papers, financial reporting and this one, business law. Financial reporting is quite long syllabus, but it's not very difficult. F4 is quite short syllabus, all theoretical. So in F7 you have financial reporting, you make income statements, you make balance sheet, you make consolidation, you learn accounting standards, IFRS standards. Okay, so that is technical paper, lengthy paper, but not really very difficult for sure. F4 is very short syllabus and no calculations, no calculator, no numbers, only business law. These 2 papers can be easily handled. If you are a full-time student, you can handle these 2 papers in the first 3 months. Okay, but if you are a working professional, then you should take 1 exam. Then after finishing these 2 papers, next attempt you should keep F5, ACCA F5. This is syllabus is short, which is performance management, but exam is always very challenging. This is one of the papers which people or students, they feel very difficult, very challenging. Take 1 paper, spend 3 months on that. Next attempt yours should be F6 and F8. F6 is taxation, F8 is your audit, and you can do, and both of these papers are not really very difficult. You can manage them. F8 sometimes could become tricky, but syllabus is not really long. If you have a good approach, you can pass F8 as well. So I don't consider F8 as a very, very challenging paper. Yes, sometimes pass rates, they become low because students, they take the wrong approach. 3 months are needed here. And the last paper you should take F9, which is called financial management, and you should spare 3 months here. So it means that you can finish this, all of these 6 papers within 1 year if you are a working professional, if you are a full-time student. If you are a working professional, you will take 1 paper in 1 attempt, and therefore this time period may become 1.5 years.